Hey everyone, what's going on? Joey here, and currently I'm standing outside Icona Diamond Beach because there's a massive renovation that's going to be taking place this year here, and let me tell you, it's going to be absolutely amazing. And I have all the details, all the blueprints for you guys. And before I give it to you, make sure you subscribe, you turn on notifications, and you give this video a thumbs up. Let's get started. According to the blueprints that we obtained, they're adding 12,000 square feet to this building, including 20 new luxury rooms, a massive sun deck with an infinity pool, and an event center on the top, including covered parking. That's right, the entire parking lot in the back is going to be covered with the infinity pool and that whole event space. And so we're going to walk around the building. I'm going to share it with you guys and compare it with the photos that we have with the blueprints, and then we'll get the drone in the sky for you guys. Let's go. Now we're on the back end of Icona, and according to the blueprints, it shows that this pool is going to get ripped up, and back here is going to get covered. It's going to be about this high off the ground, all the way to the edge right there. The infinity pool is going to be from here to here. There's going to be a ton of places to go ahead and relax up here at your chairs. And then on the front end of this Icona logo here, you can see the very top here, there's going to be another building added on here, which we can only assume would be a kitchen of some sort. And there'll be giant tents, which I'm kind of guessing is going to be similar to like the tents they have here, but it's going to come out this way, which can be event space like weddings and things like that. I'm going to walk over here just to the edge so I can give you a point of view of where the building's going to stand, because it looks like the infinity pool, I mean, according to the logo that's on here, is going to come all the way down almost to the ground, right where the very front line of the beach is. So my guess is that it's going to be ending right here with the steps coming down this way onto the beach. And then they could potentially be taking down all of this. This is temporary. They have a wedding coming up, so they have this up. But with that new event space on top, they won't need any of this. Now, the Star Bar, according to the blueprints, aren't even on there, but I'm assuming that they're going to go ahead and keep that on the beach just because it's such a great place to hang out. And for those who have no idea, yeah, we have palm trees on our beach. They add these in every single year. This year, they're even bigger. Yeah, I know, they are massive. For many years, this place was called Bungalow 7, but due to a copyright issue, I think there was another bar in maybe Atlantic City called Bungalow, they had to go ahead and rename it to Star, which I wish they would name it something else. But these palm trees are so big, they're actually growing coconuts. Look, the baby coconuts. Check that out, right? Now, I could only assume that once they do finish this whole thing, there'll be the ramps still here, that way you can get on here. But yes, as far as I know, and I just asked someone who works here, this place isn't going anywhere. So let me go ahead and get the drone in the sky for you guys so you can see what it looks like from a bird's point of view. So what do you guys think? It looks pretty cool, right? It'll be the first infinity pool here in the Wildwoods. and I wish you can get a day pass. As far as I know, you have to be a guest of the hotel, but once I do open it, I will be sure to film it for you guys. And on top of that, as construction starts, I'll be here every few weeks just so I can refilm it for you guys and give you any kind of progress update. Anyway, thank you for joining me. If you haven't done so yet, please subscribe, turn on notifications, and give this video a thumbs up. And as always, I'll see you guys on the beach. See you later. Bye.
Let's look to see what we're gonna pick. I heard you.